Tuesday! Today is April 21st, 2020. I am wearing my love shirt because I love each and every one of you so much and I love teaching. And many of you have reached out to me and told me how much you miss coming to school. And I miss it too. I can't wait to see you guys again. And with that, let's get started. So today we're going to read our poem once again, but when we get anything that has questions, what's the first thing we gotta do? Tab! So we do need to read the questions, we need to analyze it, we need to box those keywords. So let's work on that at this moment. It says, question number 1, what does this poem mean? Kind of like that. What is it doing? What is it trying to tell us? What happened? Purpose? Any of those keywords helps us with what does it just mean? Number 2, what is the main theme of the poem? What lesson did we learn from the poem? Maybe what happened with the kids? We got to figure that out. And number 3, why did the author write this poem? All things we know. We know what poems mean. We can read it, figure it out. Question 1 and 2 kind of go together because we also got to figure out what did we learn. And number 3, why did the author write this? What's its purpose? We know all 3 of those. We've been working on those, and I know you can do it. So let's continue. We're going to read our poem today, and we're going to be answering all 3 questions. Are you ready? I know you are. I am too. In the winter, I get up at night and dress by candlelight. So we know in the winter, when you wake up, it is typically dark. That's why it says at night. So we know in the winter, we have it dark. In the summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. So in the summer, they're saying they're going to go to bed by day, which means even though it's nighttime in the summer, it's typically lighter at your normal bedtime. I have to go to bed and see the birds hopping in the trees, or hear the grown-ups people's feet still going past me in the street. So those are some things that are still happening. Our main character is in bed, he hears the birds, and he hears people walking. And doesn't it seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue? And I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day. So even though it's clear, the character still has to go to sleep. Same time, but things have changed. So in the winter, you go to bed. It's typically dark, 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 dark when bedtime. In the summer, your same bedtime, it might be a little bit lighter. And so our character is struggling with these ideas. Why is that? Well, in the summer, the sun is out at a different time. It's out longer. And so that's why we have things like daylight savings to keep our sun up when we're awake. And in the winter, the sun is shorter and we fall back an hour. All related to daylight savings. And if you've read our News ELA article for the week, you already have a heads up because you know all about it. So let's move on to our 3 questions. What does this poem mean? What is the author trying to tell us in this poem? What is it about? So with this, you're going to answer it. Tell me what you think it is about. We've kind of talked about it in our frame of motivation yesterday. We talked about it a lot during our conversation today in analyzing the poem, so I know you can do it. Number 2, what is the main theme of the poem? So what lesson did we learn? And it might be something as simple as our main character. What does our main character want or not want? And finally, why did the author write this poem? Oops. Oop. Let's just fix that. Why did the author write this poem? What is the purpose? Why did he or she do this? Were we entertained? Were we learning? Was they trying to persuade us to do things? All of those. I know you can do it. Keep it up. What you're going to do after you write your answers on the next slide in Nearpod, the same 3 questions are going to pop up, but it's going to be multiple choice. Pick the best answer that relates to what you said. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Keep up the hard work, guys. And finally, your social studies and ELA connections. Yesterday was our social studies connection, and we learned, well, you started reading about daylight savings time. Today is your ELA connections. You're going to keep practicing that beautiful cursive handwriting with Miss Nooms. And if you notice, I have in cursive that we miss you, because all of us teachers miss you so much. We love you. Have a great day, and I'm so proud of you. Bye, guys.